In this video, I will show you how to install JioHotstar on your Android or Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to DaveTech YouTube channel. So if you have an Android TV or a Smart TV and want to install the JioHotstar application, the first thing to do is to try to locate your App Store on your Android or Smart TV. So if you have an App Store, just come over to it. Now, if you don't have an App Store, the next video after this is going to show you how to install the application without the App Store application on your Android or Smart TV. If you do have an App Store, just go ahead with this method. Now, come over to here, you're just going to go ahead and search for the application straight away. So, once you go over here, just search for the application JioHotstar. Now, I'm just going to type in. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So, type in JioHotstar. And that is the name of the application. Oh, once you're typing this, please always make sure you type in the right name, because if you miss a digit, you might not see the application. So for instance, that's it. We're going to close and then we search. So if you search, you'll realize that here's the application we're searching for, JioHotstar. Once you click there, it is going to come over here where you can click on the download button and the application will be downloaded and installed straight away to your Android TV or Smart TV. Now, as I explained earlier, this is only possible if you have App Store on your Android TV. If you don't have App Store on your Android TV, then watch the next video to see how to install this application without App Store.